The development of this rifle platform began more than 10 years ago. From the very beginning, the objective was clear: to create a modern, adaptable rifle system capable of replacing entire legacy assault rifle platforms used by law enforcement and military forces. Over the course of the development program, the platform has been field tested by professional users from various government and defence organisations. Their feedback has shaped the system at every stage, from handling and modularity to reliability and maintainability. This cooperation has ensured that the platform addresses real-world use cases. In addition to user-driven development, the rifle has been subjected to extensive environmental and durability testing in accordance with the NATO D14 standard. These tests evaluate the weapon's functionality and safety under extreme conditions. The rifle must operate reliably in both high and low temperatures after exposure to salt fog that simulates maritime corrosion, and after being subjected to fine dust, sand, mud, and ice. It must also pass impact and drop tests, proving mechanical integrity after shocks and sudden force. Endurance testing validates long-term performance over thousands of rounds, while accuracy and interchangeability checks ensure that key components functions within precise tolerances across units. And for us, that's just the baseline. In our own internal testing, we go further, much further. We test until the rifles break, intentionally, because we want to know the limits. We want to see how the system behaves under failure conditions. This is a complete rifle system designed to replace legacy rifles with one platform capable of serving across a wide range of missions, environments, and operational profiles.